Well guys, the time has come for us to upgrade to a newer truck. So until we get rid of this one, we're going to give you guys a quick walk around and give it a final farewell. Hey guys, Alex here with All For Him Racing, and today we are going to be upgrading our truck from this one to a newer one. But we're going to go ahead and just show you guys this truck that has been really faithful to us for the last 5 years. It's a 2001 F250 Super Duty, literally basically the exact same truck that we just ran in a derby, only this one is a crew cab short bed versus a regular cab long bed. It's four-wheel drive, has the 5.4 liter. You've seen some of our repair how-to videos repairing different things on this truck over the years. And we've had some issues and brake issues and things over the years, but we've taken care of them all and still is in good running condition. But it's just time to upgrade, and we had a deal come along we just had to jump at. So stay tuned for that video, but until then, let's give you guys just a quick walk around. So again, 2001 has some wear and tear. It was already used for different things. A landscape business and some other applications had used this truck before we bought it. We bought it with 192,000, which again, you know, was higher mileage, but certainly not out of the realm of what trucks are used for. And right now it's sitting at about 208, 209. So we really haven't driven it an absolute ton in those 5 years. But still, you know, it's in pretty good shape. We've got the fender flares on there, covering up a little bit of rust on the rear quarters. That's all been stopped and repaired, but there it is, just the same. And it kind of looks cool too, just doctoring it up, changing it up, be something a little different. Overall, the bed's in pretty good shape. You know, these things like to get rusty. Have a little bit of rust here from some chips that had happened prior to us buying it. It was already like that. And the worst rust on the entire truck is right here in the rear cab corner. It is the factory rust spot. These things will rust there on basically every model. I have not seen one of these trucks that have not had this kind of rust, at least in our neck of the woods here in Indiana. So that is certainly something repairable. They actually sell replacement panels for that. You can just cut that chunk out, weld those new pieces in, and then be good to go. On the inside, it is actually not too bad. Again, for 2001, it's the Lariat edition, which would be like the King Ranch, their top of the line from a trim package. It had all the bells and whistles. Even though it's 2001, it literally has heated seats. These are leather seats, they're heated, which is really nice in the winter time. The steering wheel has worn down a little bit here, you know, just again from normal usage. And yeah, it's at a 208 734, so just shy of 209. And it's been a good truck for us, it really has. You know, we've had some issues with it, but we've repaired them, and it's kept us going down the road, getting to all of our events. If you guys have seen us at events, you've seen this truck. It is a crew cab, so it has the full back seat here. Still got some random stuff from the last derby just sitting back here I obviously need to clean out and take care of. Again, it just, you know, a little bit of TLC, a little cleaning, nice little wash outside and then a vacuum inside, and this thing really isn't in too bad a shape. Now, people have mixed feelings about the cap. I personally have liked the cap being on here. It's been great for going to events and throw all of our tools and stuff in it. Don't have to worry about anybody messing with any of our stuff. And the inside here, you know, it's a work truck, so it's a little dinged and bent and dents and all that kind of stuff, but it has a nice hardy heavy rubber floor mat here that's fitted. It does have the gooseneck hitch area under there in the middle. It's just a screw-in ball, so you can use a gooseneck on it. And there's a secondary plug right there, which we actually have powering our old lights, those All For Him Racing lights, so you guys have probably seen at events as well. And so, hey, a little bit of advertisement, how about that? So, you know, again, pretty decent shape, but it had its wear. And then on this side, again, not much to write home about. Same rust on this side, so I think it's just more of maybe a factory kind of thing. And the interior, you guys already saw it. So there you go, guys. Just a super quick walk around. Just wanted to get one last shot of it here while it's still being used. Do have some people interested in buying this thing already, so we'll see if those deals decide to go through. So you guys may actually still see this thing driving around, just won't be hooked up to our trailer. So hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, and I just want to say a big thank you to this truck for being such a faithful thing and getting us where we needed to go over these last 5 years. If we didn't have this truck, we wouldn't have been able to make all those events that we ran at, and even some of the ones that we filmed at. So, you know, without this thing being able to get us where we needed to go, you guys wouldn't have had the footage that you have. So for that, I'm really thankful. So as always, we hope you guys have a great day, and until the next video, we'll talk to you later, guys.